I'm Brian Bouch. I'm manager of automotive crash safety for Honda R&D. And what we brought here to the LA Auto Show was a crashed Civic Coupe. And what we wanted to do is demonstrate and get awareness of our safety leadership and our commitment to safety and safety for everyone. And so we did that by bringing this here to let the consumers understand what it takes to develop a safe vehicle. This particular vehicle was tested in a small left side overlap test that is part of the IIHS Top Safety Pick program. It received a good rating. And as you can see, our front body structure, our ACE body structure, performed very well. It was able to take the impact and dissipate that energy out and away from the occupant space and really preserve that occupant cabin. This door actually opened post-crash, and we were able to remove the crash dummy in this case and really highlight the high level of safety performance that a small vehicle like the Civic that starts just over $20,000 can afford it and show the customers that safety for everyone is truly that, safety for everyone.
I see that all the airbags were deployed, and I'm 6'4", and it looks like my legs would be okay in this crash.
Right. And part of our design concept in this example was really to get the wheel and break the wheel and get it out of the load path. And so you can see the hub is actually deformed and broken so that, just as you said, the intrusion into the lower space, into the leg area, is well preserved so that lower leg injuries are minimized and mitigated.
Is those technologies today standard with every Honda vehicle?
Absolutely. ACE body structure comes with every vehicle that we build, and it again is to absorb the energy and dissipate that energy out and away from the occupant space.
How many of the vehicles you had to crash to develop all that?
Well, this was just one test, and it proved exactly our design concepts and performed as expected.
Perfect. Thank you very much.